Let's learn how to integrate WhatsApp into FlowBridge and Voiceflow. First of all, click on Client Companies. When you create a client company, users can be associated with said company as well as Voiceflow projects. Users who log into the client panel can only see projects associated with their company. After creating the client company, let's start making a Voiceflow project. The Voiceflow project requires specific information from your Voiceflow project's build. First of all, let's give it a name. Second, we'll need the project ID. If you go over to your Voiceflow project, click on the cogwheel, you'll see the project ID and you can copy it and paste it into the Voiceflow project on FlowBridge. Next, we'll need the API key. You can copy that, go back to the Voiceflow project, and then paste it into the Voiceflow API token. Let's create the project now. After creating the project, we'll need to create the integration and associate it with the client company and the Voiceflow project. First of all, let's select the company that we want to associate it with, as well as the project. Now let's give our integration a name. I suggest that you add the integration type into the name itself, such as WhatsApp, Telegram, or Slack. Now let's get into the meat of it. Let's integrate WhatsApp using the embedded login tool. Once you see this page, click on Login with Facebook, and it should show a pop-up that is provided by Meta. All you need to do is follow the steps, select the correct options, and click Next until it's over. Right now, we're selecting which business account we want to use and which business profile. If you don't have one already, you can create one through this pop-up. Let's select the category. Now, let's actually verify the number. Once you put in the number, you should receive an SMS or voice call, depending on what you selected on the pop-up. Let's paste in the verification code and hit Next. Now it's doing its final calculations, and if all is well, it should be done. After just a couple of seconds, it should show the actual access token that is provided by Meta. We should now select which phone number we want to use that's connected to the account and click Create. And that's it. The integration is now successful. You can now go over to WhatsApp and send a message to your WhatsApp chatbot, and it should communicate with Voiceflow directly.